The final heat of the 200-meter backstroke for the Indian Ocean All-Stars. Rahul in lane 6, swimming for Australia versus the Asian All-Stars. And the swimmer in lane 4, Rahul is not swimming against him, as he's swimming lane 3 and 4. They are both 16 years old, and he's swimming in the 12-year-old category is Rahul. And the many other swimmers were in previous heats, and looking at the time swum by the swimmers in the previous heats, Rahul should be able to beat them, and it will all come down to his performance in this particular heat. And again, he will not be swimming against the swimmers in lanes 3 and 4, who are both 16 years old. Rahul in lane 6, facing off against Robert Bonzal in lane 5. Swimmers, I think Rahul is in 3rd place overall in this heat, but looks like he's in the gold medal position for the age group for the 200-meter backstroke at the Indian Ocean All-Stars. Will he get a personal best? His current time is 2:32. 63, I believe, swam at the state championships, and that's his target today, to beat his time from the state championships. He's neck and neck with Robert Bonzal in lane 5. Again, it does not matter what the swimmers in lanes 3 and 4 do, as they are 16 years old. He's not swimming against them, it does look like Rahul is headed for the gold medal here. Looks like he's just shading Robert Bonzal, and he's coming into the last 10 meters. And Rahul is going to take the gold medal for the Indian Ocean All-Stars Classic in a time of 2:34.41.